Welcome to Uniface Flow Basics demonstration. In this demonstration, we'll create an order entry process using Uniface Flow. Visual business process modeling in Uniface Flow is done using Uniface Flow Modeler. Modeler allows us to define both our organization structure as well as the actual business process. Every business process is executed within the organization, and for that same reason, we first need to create an organization for our business process. In addition to manually creating organization structure in Uniface Flow, we can also import, and later keep them synchronized, these structures from the existing LDAP server or the XML file. For the purpose of this demonstration, we'll create one manually. We'll first create an organization package. Package contains the objects for our organization, which we can call the Acme organization. A package is a container for the objects that belong to the organization model or the business process model. We can create packages at several levels, similar to the directory structures. Each organization has a structure consisting of units. In real life, these units usually correspond to departments within the organization. So let's create some units for our Acme organization. First, we'll create one called Sales. One called Finance. And one called Warehouse. Now that we've created our units, we need to connect these units to our organization structure, and we can do that using the relation tool. Each organization has a number of roles and actors who fulfill the roles. So let's create some. For maintenance reasons, it's a good practice to define roles and actors in the separate packages. So first we'll create some packages for roles and actors. There's our roles package, and one for the actors. Now let's create some roles within this roles package. I'll start by creating a role called Sales Representative. We'll create one called Finance Manager. And one called Warehouse Operator. In a similar way, let's create some actors. We'll create one called Boris. One called Dave. And one called Jim. Uniface Flow creates default passwords for these users. But of course, these passwords can be changed at a later date. The roles and actors can now be allocated to the departments of the Acme organization. I can do this by going into the property inspector of the sales department. I'll select the Roles tab, and I'll attach Sales Representative role and the actor Boris to the sales department. So at this point, Boris is a sales representative within the sales department. And we'll do the same thing for the finance department. This time we'll attach a finance manager role and the actor Dave to the finance department. And last, Warehouse. We'll attach a role warehouse operator and the actor Jim to the warehouse department. Now we can have a graphical representation of our Acme organization. At this point, we'll save the package.